All right, what's up, my people? Hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to vtwin Skins. I am Alfred and excited today. It is a big day for me. We are finally going to go ahead and wrap the Fenders I've been so eagerly waiting for. We had to do a little sidestep. A plotter that we had ordered showed up faulty, brand new plotter. All kinds of issues with it, had to send it back. So at some point that's gonna get replaced and then I'll be able to do the logo stuff, but I'm not concerned. I'll be able to rewrap in the future. You will see that, I am sure. Outside of that, let me show you real quick. If you have not seen my previous videos, please go and check them out. These are Fenders that we ordered through Rick's Harley Davidson from Germany. These bad boys came from the other side of the planet. Long time coming. Went through the whole process of getting the sheet metal prepped and ready for wrap. All right, essentially that's where we're at right now. I've already cleaned, did the final sanding. I didn't want to have you go through all of that again because there are other videos that if you look back, you see me doing a lot of that fun stuff. Not so fun. All right, it is very time consuming, definitely a labor of love. I love this. I love everything that I do, and hopefully that you can see that through these videos. So today we're gonna go through wrapping both front and rear fender. I may have to break this video up into a couple, but that is the plan of the day. So yeah.
You dealing with the body of cars, or you dealing with the bars? Is there? And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brag. Original girl, some of them are the knockoff.
And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them, girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my pums and him still fall in love. Yeah, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel big at taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill, me ain't too militant. They won't figure eights, but I don't need a man. So they love how me whine and make true religion. You dealing with the body of course, or you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever tossed. Said he want me back, he can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all the sauce.
And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un tuk ta ta tuk ta tuk tuk.
Ok.
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Ta ta tuk ta tuk tuk tuk. Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un tuk ta tuk ta tuk tuk.
Ok.
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Dame un grr.
¿Un qué?
Un grr.
¿Un qué?
Ta tuk ta tuk tuk.